In this video, I'll show you how you can resize a cell or a column in Google Sheets. Now, first step is you want to go into your Sheets and have a Sheets right here. Now from in here, you're going to select where you want it to be. Let's say you want to do this one. You can press on it right here and it select everything. And you can right click on it and resize column. Now you can change the sizes. The default is 100, so you can choose 120, okay, and you'll see it will get bigger. You can also press fit to data and it will fit to what you have typed in here. Now you can also do it on the numbers here, exactly the same, 21, 25, it will get a little bigger. Now that's one way that you can do it. Another way, which is a little bit faster, is you can simply drag right here. And as you can see, the B will get much bigger or smaller. So that's how you can do it easily on Google Sheets. It's really simple and there's not really any magic trick. It's just simply dragging or right clicking and resizing the column. That's how you can do it on Google Sheets, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.